soon as I pushed film. Stories with Sulaiman. 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 Nice. I appreciate you, Onyx. You're always quiet on the set. Give it a check. Little Onyx cameo. Okay, today, hey Bubs. Today, we're starting a new book. It's called Bodies. Body Basics. Bodies is the perfect introduction to the human body. Each page increases in size as we learn more about the human body from the outside in, from cells in the skin up to the brain and the organs. A pull-out page takes a closer look at the body and skeletal systems. The Body Basics series is an exciting look at the body. Nice. And this book was gifted to Judah from Mom. It says Christmas. I don't know what that means. 2013. So that's cool. Shouts to Judah for I don't know. This book was in a thrift store. Turn up. Alright, look how cool this book is. So I'm gonna do like 3 a day. So I'm gonna read 3, 3, 3. I don't know, we'll read this for several days, because each one gets more in depth, like the back said. I like this book. Really cool. So the first thing we have up here are cells. The building blocks of the body. The human body is made up of some 50 billion cells. The building block of the body. Most cells are tiny and can be seen through a microscope and can only be seen through a microscope. They all follow the same basic pattern. See right? See right. It's right here. I'll show you in a second. But vary in size and shape depending on the job they do. We got the mitochondrion, which is the mitochondria produces energy for the cell. The nucleus is the cell's control center. It contains threads called chromosomes, which carry instructions that tell the cell how to work. Organelle. The organelles carry out a variety of tasks, such as destroying harmful substances. Cell membrane is a thin, flexible membrane surrounds the cell. It allows food and oxygen in and lets waste products out. Cytoplasm. The jelly-like cytoplasm makes up most of the cell. The other parts of the cell float in it. Cell facts. The smallest cells are in your brain. The biggest cells are ova, which is the female egg cells. Cool. That's where Bubs come from. Some brain and nerve cells last your whole lifetime. Cells that line the small intestines only live for a few days. Your cells, and therefore your whole body, are 2/3 water. Here's a picture of a cell. And all the things I just described. Next up, skin. Skin covers the body, providing a tough, waterproof, and germ-proof barrier against the outside world. It protects the body's insides from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays and helps to keep the body temperature steady. It also senses touch and pressure. We got the hair follicle. A hair follicle is a pit in the skin. Hair grows out of these follicles. Follicles. Hair shaft. A shaft of hair grows out of a hair follicle. Sebaceous gland. These glands make oil which oozes to the surface through tiny holes called pores. The oil keeps the skin soft and waterproof. Epidermis. The skin has two layers. The surface layer is called the epidermis. It is made up of hard, dead skin cells. The dermis, beneath the epidermis lies the dermis. It is packed with blood vessels, nerve endings, hair follicles, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands. And we got sweat glands. These glands make watery sweat which ooze onto your skin to cool your body down. The thickest skin is on the soles of your feet. The thinnest skin is on your eyelids. About 50,000 flakes of dead skin fall off your body every minute. Household dust is mostly made of flakes of dead skin. That's pretty cool. Muscles. Muscles are found all over your body, underneath your skin. Most are attached to your bones and work with them to make you move. Other muscles are found in organs such as your intestines and your heart. The myofibril. Each muscle fiber is made up of finer fibers called myofibrils. Blood vessels. These carry blood to and from the fibers. Sarcolemma. The sarcolemma is a thin skin-like membrane that covers the muscle fibers. Nerves. Nerves carry messages from the brain to tell the muscle to contract. Did you know skeletal muscles, the muscles attached to your skeleton, are made up of bundles of long, thin fibers? There may be as many as 2,000 fibers inside a large muscle. Muscle facts. You have about 640 muscles in your body. The biggest muscles are in your thighs and bottom. The smallest muscles are deep inside your ears. I think that's cells, skin, muscles. We're going to stop there. Tomorrow we'll do bones. Actually, let me see what tomorrow. Thursday. Tomorrow I'm reading the Quran, actually. And then Monday I'll read bones, brain, and senses. Hopefully God allows me to do that. I appreciate y'all. Please be good and not bad. And remember, I love you.